With so few people, it's no wonder it's taking so long. Shut up and focus.
It appears Sasuke has blundered.
It's octopus legs!
It's not funny.
So, what do we do?
We've made good time. Aren't we coming up on the Hidden Leaf Village?
Yeah. You guys had better be prepared.
Sure, no problem. There he is.
Yo, Sasuke.
How did you know where I was?
Do not take me lightly. I have powers.
What do you want? Team Taka has left the Akatsuki. We have no more business with you.
You can leave the Akatsuki when you've done your job properly.
What are you talking about?
The tailed beast hunt.
But we already captured and handed the 8 tails over to you.
That was a substitution. In short, you blundered.
So? What do you want us to do about it? It's not our business anymore.
I disagree. You will complete the job you were assigned. Though it won't be the 8 tails, I have decided to have you carry out a different mission.
We're not interested. My target is the leaf now.
It's a little too late for you to go there. My underling Pain destroyed the leaf.
What?
Also, Danzo, the one who pushed Itachi to the edge, has been made Hokage and is currently out of the village.
Danzo is Hokage?
He is now headed to a summit of the 5 Kage.
What? A summon of the 5 Kage?
Allow me to explain.
So that's how it is.
What will you do, Sasuke?
Change of destinations. We Taka will take the Hokage's head at the 5 Kage summit.
Excellent decision.
So where is this 5 Kage summit taking place?
My clone will guide you. Follow me. Sasuke?
Yeah, here we go.
We made it.
Infiltration successful.
And Danzo is here, right?
That's right.
Good.
My role ends here. Make sure you see to the rest.
That guy creeps me out.
Karin, you find out where the meeting room is. It will be the place where the strongest chakra is gathered. That's where Danzo will be.
Understood.
Jugo, you protect Karin. Suigetsu, you are my backup.
Right.
The time is almost here. Go. Struggle to your heart's content.
Mission start.
We've been spotted by samurai. Here they come.
It could be trouble if any get away. Take care of them all. I'm rather annoyed with you. If you're going to attack me, you better make it count.
We could say the same.
That's Sasuke. Why is he getting so riled up?
Sasuke's chakra. It's changed. He's not the same Sasuke as before. I can't believe it's heavier than when he's in the curse-marked second state. And cooler. Sasuke, Jugo's found a hole.
Okay, I'll be right there.
Tagging along with you has just been one long string of hardships.
Oh no, an ambush.
It'll be annoying if these weaklings get in the way of our killing Danzo. Take care of every last one.
Fire style! Fireball jutsu! No mercy. Amaterasu!
I will grease my blade with your blood.
Think for me. Take this and that.
That's an amazingly tough guard.
Take this. Water style! Water fang bullet! Water style! Water fang bullet! Amaterasu!
I will grease my blade with your blood.
Water style! Water fang bullet!
This crowd of enemies is amazingly tough.
No mercy. Amaterasu!
Oh, come on! These guys are just totally annoying!
Shidori free! Water style! Water fang bullet! Shidori shark spear! Taika!
Villain, accept your punishment.
Shidori free!
bad. We're trapped like rats.
Grease my blade with your blood. No mercy.
Amaterasu!
Tagging along with you has just been one long string of hardships.
It's the chill of Sasuke's chakra. It makes me shiver.
All right. All the pests have been eliminated. Let's sneak in. A door.
What do we do? There's no way in even if we retrace our steps.
Huh. How about that?
What do you mean, Karin?
It sounds like she's got a trick up her sleeve.
It's a summit of the 5 Kage. It's on a whole other level of security. That's an amazingly tough guard.
It opens up over that way, and there are reinforcements.
They're not worth worrying about.
Be careful, Sasuke. There's an unbelievably huge amount of chakra.
Kid, I'm gonna teach you the fear of true fury!
Shidori Stream! Shidori
You'll pay for what you did to my brother!
Don't worry. You'll soon follow him.
I'm not letting you get away!
He's amazingly powerful. And fast, too.
Have you realized we're on different levels?
That's right. You're not a Sharingan user.
I am no weakling. I can't be taken down by mere Sharingan.
Don't underestimate the Sharingan. Or the Uchiha.
Shidori Stream!
When I'm done with you, there won't be anything left!
Futile. I've seen through your movements already.
Water style! Water phase bullet!
Don't think you can win with nothing but brute force. Now, who's next?
Your eyes are still just as they were back then.
Gara of the Sand.
Do not be so obsessed by hatred that you escape into a world of solitude, or else you'll never be able to return.
Shidori Stream!
Chill of Sasuke's chakra. It makes me shiver.
Shidori Stream!
You're a lot like me. You've been walking in the world's darkness. That's why even a tiny ray of light ought to reach your eyes.
I shut my eyes a long time ago. The things I see lie only in the darkness.
So that's your answer.
Shidori Stream!
You have no right to talk about darkness.
Mission complete.
You avoided a mortal wound. I guess your absolute defense is still going strong.
So this is your incredible power?
You...
Did you hope to defeat me with such puny techniques? Ridiculous.
Sasuke Uchiha, don't look away. You can still... It's not too late. Come back.
If I were to return, what is there for me on your side?
Hey, what good would it do convincing him? He's a criminal. He has no future. He deserves no mercy. Don't let your personal feelings interfere.
Yeah, I know.
So, you still feel like challenging me?